On October 8, 2005, a 7.6 magnitude earthquake that claimed more than 74,000 lives and flattened 272,000 buildings shook residents of northern Pakistan, leaving nearly 3.5 million people homeless. Essential lifelines such as water supplies, power lines, roads and bridges were also disrupted. With many school buildings destroyed throughout Azad Jammu and Kashmir and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa districts, education was badly affected.
खौफ ही बहुत आ गए थे हमें पढ़ने का तो पता ही नहीं चलता था स्कूल में किधर हैं हम किधर नहीं है बस
पहले तो ऐसे खुले आसमान तले क्या बैठ के कोई क्या पढ़ाता सब डिस्टर्ब भी हुए थे.
The US Agency for International Development committed to help Pakistan recover some of its losses by donating $200 million to help recover the affected communities, by reconstructing a number of schools and health facilities damaged by the devastating earthquake. The leading American engineering and construction firm, CDM Constructors, was selected to implement the Pakistan Earthquake Reconstruction and Recovery Program.
CDM actually has a track record. We've been working with USAID and been one of their trusted, specially design-build contractors for the last 35 years.
Bringing on board 65 years of global expertise in environmental engineering and development, CDM adopted a localized strategy to work within Pakistan. Leading international and local engineers, architects, and community liaison specialists were selected to manage the program.
Working in Pakistan, you really had to step back and think of the local abilities and context.
The teams had to follow international seismic standards and codes to design and reconstruct the new schools and health facilities in the northern earthquake zone. The challenges were many.
These are all hilly sites. How do you design for a place without disturbing too much of the hill?
The challenge was to, in the shortest possible time frame, and hand it over to the appropriate communities.
So how did CDM overcome these challenges?
We took on a really different approach to construction, different in this country and many countries.
This is a rare program in Pakistan where the involvement of the local communities was actually structured into the construction plans from the beginning.
By integrating these, the social community involvement component along with the engineering component, we were able to proceed in the implementation of the program in such a fast way that otherwise would have been probably difficult and maybe not possible.
5 years into the Pakistan Earthquake Reconstruction and Recovery Program, CDM has so far built and furnished 36 primary, secondary and intermediate level schools and 15 fully equipped basic health units. All 51 facilities so far have been fully completed and handed over to the various communities in Azad Jammu and Kashmir and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa districts.
In the end, in the areas of Kashmir and places like that, we're putting world-class processes in place.
I think it's going to be very difficult for us as a company and as a team to approach construction as they used to before. I mean, they're all now going to start thinking along the lines of how or whatever activity we're going to do, is it impacting the community?